This is the Umarex Walther PQ DAO or P99, I don't know. So we will be test firing this today. This runs CO2, 15 round mags. The mag is a stick mag. So just to load it, pull this down, put it to the side, load your BBs, and then put it back and it should go up. This holds 15 rounds if I haven't already said that. CO2 cartridge is in here. Put it in, you just unscrew this, put it in, screw this back. I did get this from Amazon, so let's see. I've already test fired a few shots. Yeah, and when you open the mag, a BB falls out. Safe to fire. Press this down. Make sure it's on fire. The slide doesn't really do anything. You don't have to cock it back. It does have a double action trigger. So the sights are kind of accurate. It's not gonna hit exactly where you're aiming it. And it kind of goes a little to the left, just a tiny bit. Let's fire this a few more times. And that's it. There's no slide on the right side, so you can't use that. It's only on this side.